we will be talking about the amazing book written by Acadia Tucker titled Growing Good Food. This book is a citizen's guide to carbon farming. As Earth's climate continues to change, more people are beginning to understand the benefits of regenerative farming. Healthy gardens capture and store carbon as well as produce delicious and nutritious food. Here are some examples of how the author writes and ways that she engages with the reader in a positive way. Charts, maps, and diagrams are used to bring the reader in and make the material more comprehensible. Here are some great takeaways from the reading. I would recommend this book to anyone that wants to start growing their own food, getting interested in gardening, or passionate about the environment. 4 out of 4 recommendation. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you learned something new or interesting from this presentation.